Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the German Institute of Hygiene. I am Matthias Dreger, I'm director of the institute, and this morning I would like to invite you to take part in a new sport which I would like to introduce worldwide. The subject of this sport is autumn bathing. Autumn bathing means to swim in the open water almost throughout the whole year. Today is the 27th of October 2019. You are here at this wonderful river Rhein in St. Fällen in Germany. I'm happy that we have a little bit of rain here, so we have some evidence that autumn bathing is possible under almost any conditions, because the medium where we are entering, this is the water. We have here now a temperature of 9 degrees Celsius. This is temperature of the air, and we will now have a look at the rain. Yesterday or 2 days ago it was I think almost 16 degrees, but today it will be maybe 1 or 2 degrees less. We will have a look. We will see. You can accompany me here. Just a second, please. Let me just change dress. So I'm now in a swimming suit. I put my towel over my clothing in order that it's not getting wet. Oop, I need to take care. This is a little bit slippery here. Okay. Here we are. So this is the panorama of the river Rhine here. Camera is on record. Everything fine. As you see, we have here a little bit of rain. And I show you the only place where you will not get wet from the rain, where it cannot reach you. This is let's have a look. temperature. I put this into the water. And this is the temperature of the river. Yeah. It's almost 14 degrees. I have to warm up this thermometer once more because it seems the river is some 5 degrees warmer than the air. Yeah, it's almost 14. I would like, when it comes to autumn bathing, please don't go into the water too deep. You know, just this is enough for swimming. You can do any kind of swimming exercises and water of 70 or 80 centimeters. So this will be really perfectly enough for you. When you go swimming in the autumn at lower temperatures, going towards 10 degrees, it's important that you can really easily leave the water if you want, right? Um, and today I would like to make a special announcement for those of you who might sit in a wheelchair. Of course, for you it's not so easy to go swimming with your present condition, but what you can do is to try to become more healthy, to do something for your health. What you can do is, for instance, when the sun comes out, if you have a balcony or if you have a good possibility to take some sun, put out your clothes from the top, yeah. Sit in the protected area. Let some sun and let some fresh air come on your body. This will do good for you in any case. And if you let your skin get used to fresh air, to some sun, maybe you put some water on your skin, yeah, to get it adapted to some other temperature, then there might be a chance, when you do this regularly, you can ask the people who care for you in the summer to take you out to the seaside. Yeah? Go with your wheelchair to the beach. Maybe you need 2 people to help you with that. But as long as you can swim, as long as you can use your arms, you can get some help for swimmers here on your arms, and you will be really safe. You will be safe in the water, and you need not go very deep. You just stay where you can easily move, where everything is safe, and where the people who take care of you can have a good stand, so that everybody will be safe. Yeah? Yeah, try. Yeah. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to go out. I hope you have enjoyed watching me here at the autumn bathing on the 27th of October in 2019. Yeah, and I wish you good luck and enjoy your own outdoor activities, swimming in the fresh open waters. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.